Artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. I am so excited. It is August the 8th, and it is the first time I'm hosting a collaboration, and I'm saying slash swap because there's people that want to collaborate and they're making cards, but they might want to swap their cards with someone else. I've had a couple of people reach out already. So if you are interested in this collaboration, we are making cards that have puns or jokes or just funny, snarky kind of cards. And the goal is two cards, a month on the 8th of the month, which is Day of Laughter. And then if you want to swap your cards, just send me an email to the email address on the flyer. So today, I started with puns, food puns. I have a lot of food pun stamps. I don't know why. I collect them. Anyway, so this Lynn Dunn does these, different card sketches, and she did 4 easy fun fold card ideas. And actually, when I worked through it, it's really 2 card ideas. She did them landscape and then portrait. So it's really 2 ideas and just in different directions. So I had 2 sheets of this. It is Damask Love, American Crafts Damask Love Right at Home. And it's eggs and bacon. And I've had it in my stash for a long time. I have a friend that loves like bacon stuff, and she buys little bacon gifts that she sees. And so I had bought it like, oh, I'm gonna make her some cards, I'm gonna make her some boxes, and never did. So I have this Spellbinders stamp and die set. It's called the Breakfast Club, and it really is toast, eggs, and bacon. And I have this Brutus Monroe breakfast puns. I put it in there backwards, but I only used the eggs and the bacon because I also have this Brutus Monroe breakfast bite 6x6, but I didn't use it this time because I didn't find it in time enough to. So I'm putting it all together. And then I use this Picket Fences Studios. It's called Analogies. And I use the You're the Bacon to my eggs. I got to get some stamp cleaner because I'm noticing that every time I show you guys a stamp I use, you can see the ink. So I ended up making 3 of the 4 fun folds because I didn't want to cut into another piece of I didn't want to cut into that last piece. And this card required 4x12. And so I didn't use my Brutus Monroe, but I'm going to use it for the pancakes maybe later. So these are the 3 cards that I made. And this was actually card number 1, if you go in the order that she did. And it doesn't open, the card base doesn't open. It's just one piece. And so I did my Don't Go Bake in My Heart from the Spellbinder set. And I used the bacon. And then if you see, I didn't emboss the bacon on this one. I forgot. But I made up for it later. And then I used my stamp, the Brutus Monroe stamp, to stamp bacon and eggs on the inside. And then there's that picket fence sentiment. You are the bacon to my eggs. So I actually like that one. So then I use the Brutus Monroe, you are the eggs to my bacon, which is switched, right? And then I use the stamp and just added some flat back embellishments. And then I just, so this card opens like this, right? So it gives you, it's a fun fold, right? So it just means it folds differently. So you have this space here. So I did a, plate of eggs and bacon. I could have put more than 2 pieces of bacon because, most people eat more than 2 pieces of bacon. I also used vintage linen, I think it's called, a distress ink around all my eggs that I cut out. And then I use Wishing You a Sunny Side Up Kind of Day. And so You Are the Eggs to My Bacon is actually the pun there. And then I use that same stamp on the outside, which And then I did the "You Are the Eggs to My Bacon" on the inside. So the puns I used were eggs to my bacon and don't go bacon my heart. And then I just used the other sentiments that were kind of, I guess, sunny side up kind of day, but it's not like really cute, but cute enough. So there are my cards, my food pun cards for the first month of August 8th. And I know that sharing more is participating, and hopefully others will play along. And even if you don't get your cards out today, make a couple of cards and share them with us. I know you have some fun stamps. So I started soft, and then I'll pull out some of my snarky next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.